What are the formats of my poems? What are the formats of my poems? Obviously, I started these rambles getting drunk, high and on drugs, and now I get stoned with great melodies for a rare drink, spilling on pages, always shaping poems the look of how fingers run without hesitation, other than scratching chin for this made list of words, unrehearsed or heard of until letters litter minds, willing to take this flow of sap from an aging tree, born and growing old like anything awake to life. Can't count the number of people with my hands I know who love to always party, and given the funds, that is where you will find them. Is that my way too? Always the original ambition for peace, matching how mine finds ways to live among cultures, meld goodness from each other, for the embrace, keeping face of reason, giving the world a sense of no harm. When can I stand on stages and breathe words with people anywhere in the world sharing arts and minds? It's been safe to wake up and look out my bedroom window at the neighborhood of family pages beyond tree, near vision to cold-looking sidewalk, waiting for summer dreams. Bearded Bard, Alan Age.